Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this session we're going to talk about some of the efficient typo methods. So we're going to talk about how pen and text work together. So we're going to see some of the issues which you might be facing and some of the useful tips that could help you in resolving those issues. So, and by the end of the session we are also going to see the time-lapse video of how I'm going to finish up the phase with the typography thing. So let's just go ahead and start doing it then. So far throughout this particular in this session, what we've done is we have taken the pen tool and started from point A and went till point B, and we have just used the text tool there on top to type something. So let it be there. But let's say in this case when we're doing for our left eye, and I'm starting from point A, from point A to point B here, and if I'm just creating a line path for this upper portion, and I take this text tool, and if I need to start from here, if I press here, you would notice the text is not visible here. The reason being, when you zoom in and see, the text is starting from here. What this Photoshop does is it's going to think that when you start from point A to point B, what Photoshop is going to think is, it is going to think that the starting point is from here and it's going to end here. So what it says is, it's not going to consider that the starting you're going to type on top of the path. Instead, it's going to think you're going to type below the path. So in these cases, either you can just use a line from here to here and then type over it, or the other option where you can make use of this line is by selecting the path, and when we are taking the text tool and placing it over there, if you notice something, it is starting this particular cross mark here. It is an indication that the text is starting from there. So if I just type there, you would notice it's starting from there. So if in case you want to access them, if you want to move this thing to here, you can just hold your control in your keyboard and just click on that particular into the cross mark and just bring it to the back. And usually the default an ideal position for this cross mark and this particular 0 or this this 0 O symbol, the cross mark should be the starting and the O should be the ending. So when you type now, you can see that it's available there, but the problem which we're facing is we need it to be on top of the line and not below the line. So select it and just hold control and just move it ahead. Just hold control and just select either the cross mark or the O symbol, because right now if you notice, now this became the cross mark and here it became the O symbol. So right now it's completely over the path here. So I think, yep, that's it. So it's over to you guys. So these are some of the problems you might be facing. If in case you have any other problems, in case you're facing any issues, just let me know. I'll just help you guys in fixing it out. So let me do my task then. I'm gonna do the remaining portion of the face. So I want you guys to go ahead and do the same.